Good morning, students. Last class we finished up to problem number 2 in kinetic theory of gases. See the remaining problems. Today we will finish this chapter. Third question. The mean free path of molecules is inversely proportional to. So mean free path formula lambda is equal to 1 by square root of root 2 pi n d square. Okay, here they gave radius. Diameter is equal to radius by 2, 1 by root 2 pi n. This is diameter is equal to 2r, na? 2r whole square. Okay, so then relation between lambda and r will be lambda proportional to 1 by r square is inversely proportional to r square. So third question, it will be second option. Next, see the fourth question. What they are asking, the ratio of specific heat Cp by Cv is equal to gamma. In terms of degree of freedom, gamma is what? Already in thermodynamics, these formulas we discussed. So gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. So fourth question, it will be second option. Okay, see the fifth question. What they are asking, two vessels separately contain two ideal gases A and B at the same temperature. Pressure of A is being twice that of B. Under such conditions, density of A is found to be 1.5 times the density of B. The ratio of molecular weights is how much? Okay. Now we will do one thing. Ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. This is PV is equal to small m by capital M into RT. Okay. This V value you bring this side. Then P is equal to mRT by V into capital M. M by V, mass by volume, is equal to density rho RT by M. They gave the relation between pressures, densities, molecular weights. They are at the same temperature they mentioned. T is equal to constants. So PA by PB is equal to rho A by rho B into MB by MA. They are asking MA by MB value is how much? Okay. Pressure of A is twice that of B. So PA value is 2 PB. And density of A is found to be 1.5 times of, so 1.5 times of density of B. Density of A, this is MB by MA. Rho B, PB will cancel. MA by MB is equal to 1.5 by 2, this value 3 by 4. So, fifth question, it will be third option. Clear? Next, see the sixth question. What they are asking, 4 grams of gas occupies 22.4 liters at NTP. The specific heat capacity of the gas at constant volume is 5 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Speed of sound in the gas is at NTP is 952 meter per second. Heat capacity at constant pressure is, okay. So using velocity, you find gamma value. V is equal to square root of gamma RT by M. So this V value, they gave it as 952 is equal to square root of gamma 8.3. Temperature value they gave ideal gas na NTP means it will be 273 by M value 4 grams. If we calculate this, this value 4 into 10 power minus 3. If we calculate this value, this is 273 now. If we calculate, finally gamma value we will get 1.599 means 1.6. Then Cp is equal to gamma Cv 1.6 into 5, this is 8 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Here calculator is required. Use the calculator, find the gamma value. Okay. Next, see the 7th question. What they are asking. The molecules of a given mass of a gas having RMS speed of 200 meter per second at 27 degrees centigrade and 1 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square pressure. When the temperature and pressure of the gas respectively 127 degrees centigrade and 0.05 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, the RMS speed of the gas molecules. We know Vrms is equal to square root of 3 RT by M. So V proportional to root T. V1 by V2 is equal to root T1 by T2. So, this value 200, V2 value they are asking, this T1 value is 27 degrees centigrade means 300 Kelvin. T2 value 127 degrees centigrade means 400. So this value root 3 by 2. Cross multiplication V2 is equal to 400 by root 3 meter per second. So 7th question, it will be second option. Okay. Next, see the 8th question. What they are asking, a given sample of an ideal gas occupies a volume V at a pressure P and absolute temperature T. The mass of each molecule of the gas is m. Which of the following gives the density of the gas? Okay. So, PV is equal to NKT. Okay. So, then here both sides m by v you multiply. So it becomes VV will cancel, this will be PM. Okay. And this M into N will be capital M KT by V, because N into M will be capital M. Okay. So PM by KT is equal to M by V. This will be density rho. Okay. So then density of the gas rho is equal to PM by KT. Okay. So option for this will be 8th question. It will be second option. Next. Ninth question. What they are asking, gas mixture contains 2 moles of O2 and 4 moles of argon at temperature T, neglecting all vibrational modes. The total internal energy of the system will be. Okay. So internal energy formula F by 2 nRT. So total internal energy means U1 plus U2. Okay, here first one will be 2 moles of oxygen. For that F value will be 5, diatomic 5 by 2. 2 moles, so 2 RT. Next, argon monoatomic degree of freedom will be 3 by 2. And how many moles argon? 4 moles, 4 RT. So 5 RT plus 6 RT. This value will be 11 RT. Okay. So 9th question, it will be third option. Okay. Next. 10th one. What they are asking, see. At what temperature will the RMS speed of oxygen molecule becomes just sufficient for escaping the Earth's atmosphere? Mass of oxygen molecule is given, Boltzmann constant is given. So V is equal to root of 3 kT by small m. This will be equal to escape velocity 11.2 kilometer per second. So 11.2 kilometer per second means 11,200 is equal to square root of what we had to calculate there. Temperature we had to calculate 3 into 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 into T by small m value they gave 2.76 into 10 power minus 2.76 into 10 power minus 26. If we calculate this value, finally we will get this value as 8.36 into 10 power 4 Kelvin we will get. Okay. So that is about 10th question. So 10th question, option value will be second option. Next 11th, increase in the temperature of a gas filled in a container would lead to increase in the kinetic energy. Okay, 11th, Ke is equal to 3/2 RT. Okay, so temperature increases means Ke proportional to T. Temperature increases means Ke value will increases. 11th it will be second option. Next, see the 13. What they are asking, see. 12th question. 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas undergoes a process described by the equation PV cube is equal to constant. PV cube is equal to constant. This is polytropic process actually, comparing with PV power x is equal to constant. X is equal to 3 in polytropic process. Cp is equal to R by gamma minus 1 by plus R by 1 minus x. So here what is the monoatomic means? Gamma is equal to 5/3. R by 5/3 minus 1, R by x value will be 3. So Cp is equal to 3R by 2 minus R by 2. So 2R by 2. So Cp value we will get it as R. Okay. So, or you write it as C. That value will be equal to R. So 12th question, it will be fourth option. Next, see the 13th question. Cylinder contains hydrogen gas at a pressure of 249 kilopascal and temperature 27 degrees centigrade. Density of the gas will be. Okay. So PV is equal to nRT, small m by capital M into RT. So P is equal to small m by V into RT by M, rho RT by M. Here what they gave is find the density they are asking. Rho is equal to Pm by RT. Here P value will be 249 kilopascal, 10 cube. If you take M value, this value will be 2 gram. So 2 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Here R value 8.3 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Temperature value 27 degrees centigrade means 300 Kelvin. Okay, simple calculation only you do. Finally, this is 0.2 kg per meter cube. If you multiply this, it will cancel with this. So 0.2 kg meter cube will come, kg per meter cube. So 13th, it will be third option. Okay. Next. Fourteenth question. The average internal energy for monoatomic gas will be formula. The average thermal energy 3 by 2 kb into T. So 14th, third option. Monoatomic gas, degree of freedom will be 3. So 3 by 2 kBT. 15th question, last question. The mean free path for a gas with molecular diameter D and number density N can be lambda is equal to formula 1 by root 2 pi and d square. So 15th it will be third option. So with this chapter has completed. Will still oscillations and waves are there. In the coming lessons, we'll try to finish the lessons.